Federal courts just ruled most of Trump's tariffs illegal. But here's a twist. They're still in place until October 14th. That leaves the market in limbo. What does this mean for Nasdaq and the S&P's 500? Welcome back to the Ride Report, where money meets news. Today, we're breaking down the court's ruling, the market's reaction, and which sector stands to win or lose the most. So what exactly did the court say? A U.S. appeals court ruled that Trump overstepped by using emergency powers to impose sweeping tariffs. Tariffs, the court said, are taxes, and only Congress has that authority. But here's the catch. The tariffs just don't vanish yet. They remain in place until October 14th while Trump takes his case to the Supreme Court. For now, businesses and traders are stuck waiting. Now, how did Wall Street take the news? With the shrug. The Nasdaq closed flat and the S&P's 500 barely moved. Investors know that the legal fight isn't finished yet, and until tariffs are truly off the books, nothing changes. Policy, not speculation, is what moves markets. Moving on, what happens next? Think of this as two possible ways. If the ruling holds, the tariffs come down in October. Expect a relief rally. Tech, hardware, and supply chain names drive the Nasdaq higher. Retailers, autos, and industrials help lift the S&P's 500. But if the Supreme Court reverses, tariffs stay locked in. That means higher costs, tighter margins, and a potential repeat of the past tariff shocks. 10% market drops in a matter of days. So who are the winners if the tariffs fall? Retailers like Walmart and Nike. Automakers like Tesla and General Motors, tech, hardware, and semiconductors that rely heavily on global supply chains. Now, which areas benefit indirectly? Cloud and software. They're not tariff heavy, but investors' confidence flows into growth stocks when supply chains free up. And now, which sectors carries the most risks if tariffs stick? Industrials, metals, exporters, industries where elevated input costs bite the hardest. Putting it all together, how do you trade this? With patience and protection. With indices moving sideways, the best setups come from pullback into support levels, not breakouts. Keep position size modest, use hedges, and treat October 14th as a real catalyst. If the ruling stands, that's when the breakout comes. If it's overturned, you'll be thankful you stayed cautious. So here's the takeaways. Tariffs have been ruled illegal, but they're not gone yet. The Nasdaq and the S&P's 500 are sitting in a holding pattern, waiting for the next policy shift. Until then, manage your risk, trade smart, and keep your eyes on Washington and the Fed. You've been watching the Ride Report, where money meets news. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you stay up to date with the market pulse. And again, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.